Go. Sean Palama. Digmatic right area. People production. Full and a run over. They fire on them, think it done, but it not over.
You have a roof over your head. You don't have a little account. You have nothing to prove. You have your mother grand spin. You don't say, alright then, my boss, I'm help out my mother. You know, if you help me out, you know.
Love claim things we enough for them. They might claim me song them. They might change the name of me song them. They might try release song. And my manager try stop them. That is Jackie on. Them grown under the corner.
The Gully Bop royalty is already going to she.
So you're telling me Gully Bop's manager is collecting all the royalties, and she's got all the money, and she ain't giving him no money? This is why he's with Auntie Donna, getting on Auntie Donna to beg people to fucking send him money.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and liners, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. We say Sunday, Solomon a gun there. Give thanks for the rising, give thanks for another day, anyone today. So me I say, you man big up on yourself. Remember, life is the greatest. Cherish each moment to the last day, the last breath. Live your life clean and real. Yes, man, on the battlefield. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Yes, man, if you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Help the channel grow. The choice is yours. You know, Lionfoot now beg no one to subscribe. You see me? Well, I ask you, it's up to you, you see me? Yes, I say Lionfoot stay. You know, beg friend, you know, buy friend. You see me, I will not beg respect. It's up to you. Yeah, Lionfoot just want to know something. I live my life clean and real. You see me? Yes, man. So any of my viewers and subscribers, in this episode here, you don't know, Gully Bop Daughter addressed him, and you don't know, when I'm producer them, I make it clear, say, the manager, I collect all like money, royalties, whatever, everything. See? So how comes my ball say now the money and them thing, them you know what I mean, he's in need. And also one of the artists, one of the producer, manager, also attack. So I'm going to hear what go on, you see me? Yeah, so basically Gully Bop manager in England, I don't know her, but her name is Jackie. Yeah, she's been accused of collecting all of Gully Bop's money. She's in control of all of his earnings, royalties, whatever. You know what I mean? Youth, whatever incomes he has coming in, and she's in control. So how comes him a ball? But anyway, I'm just a messenger, so you're going to hear what go on, and you know what I mean, you can leave and comment in the comment section. As you may say, yeah man, the song on here I play chip in and chip out, a Digmatic, cup full and a run over. So I say, so yeah, we are forward.
Go. Sean Palama. Digmatic right area.
People production.
Full and a run over. They fire on them, think it done, but it not over.
Yes man, that's Digmatic, my cup full and a run over. Produced by me, Lionfoot. Yeah, well, we have 6 artists on the rhythm. About 8 artists. Dan Mafia, Dan Youth, Dan Crazy, Real Scale, me, myself, and I. And you don't know the man himself. Digmatic, cup full. You see what I say? Check out the song. Yeah, man, from 2020. This was produced in a COVID time. You see what I say? Rhythm called 9 to 5 Rhythm. Big up all of the sound man, them who they do a juggling on it and say, but you see me? Yeah, man. So anyway, let's get into the meat of the matter right now. Yeah, man, here we Gully Bop Daughter say, and then we can hear what the producer say.
Gully Bop, you ma come out. You ma come out. When I go on social media, and I come talk about, not even social media, when I go on a Dana yard, and when Dana go ask you if you have children, yeah, I go talk about pitting them worse than people. and we don't know our mother, we don't know our mama or whatever. Me come to you about that. Me come for you for that now. You know how much pitney you have? How much pitney you have? You don't know how much pitney you have. Let me tell you how much pitney you get. You get 3 away. You get 2 girl, you get 1 boy. Yeah. 3 away you get. Yeah. You're gonna the woman yard, gonna talk about you're hungry and you're sick. You're not on a clothes. And people have to give you clothes for when they want the video and then something there. Ambition, you know, a raw ambition, you know, a fucking ambition. Eh? You boss 2 times. 2 times you boss. God open doors for you 2 times. Not 1 time, but 2 times God open doors for you. And you're in the high life. Plus with the hype life. The 2 hype. So I put your back down. Yeah. You couldn't wall out like you rest of them. You see your mouth not a filter. You go around and you disrespect everybody. Everybody you disrespect. But you know the good thing about it, you see 3 people in them where you have, what you get, they're not disrespectful. Yeah, they're not disrespectful. A good people them you get. We don't know how you enter in our genes. But I tell you this and tell you this again. Stop go tell people about pitney worse than you and worse than people. Tap it. Cause first thing first, you boss big wedding. You don't have a roof over your head. You don't have a little account. You have nothing to prove. You have your mother grand spend. You don't say, alright then, my boss, I'm going to help out my mother. You don't have to help me out, you know. You don't have to help me out. Because we are big people. You don't have to help me out. See a little boy will boss you. You don't help him. Where you come from, grand spin. You know, say alright then. Make you keep, when you do just boss, make you open, keep a little treat for them, keep a little something for the people them. No, you don't do that. You hype, you show off, you bossy. Now you're sick. Look like them old maga dog. Yeah. Look like something. Them dog with the malnutrition and starving dog, we have to see what are them ribs. That's how you look. Anyway, don't come on social media come talk about no pitney. Me I keep repeating it in your fucking head. Come on, you feel here. Me know nobody can call on no phone and ask if me not go look for no father, no look for no daddy. I don't have no daddy. This a one girl no have none, and me now can't come tell me about me have daddy because I do have no daddy. I do have no daddy. And the next thing we can come past your dirty place. And I can talk about we not even know our mama. Breaks and come again. We know our mother. We know our nice clean mother. Who you know? You have your nice clean mother grandspin. Your business with her? Your business with her? So don't come on social media come talk shit. You got England where there and you send them how much in money to how much in people at England, from England. So you send them money. Anybody will send them your money to down at Jamaica, go to them and tell them say you're hungry. Go find Chin and tell Chin say you're hungry. Or go back to Amari and tell Amari say you're hungry. And then you spend your money on I can't talk about pitney worse than people with a bright self. No mention no fucking pitney name in your dirty mouth. Don't do it. It's very disrespectful. You know, no manners to people when you're in the streets. Me watch all one little video with you where you're a public hospital.
Sergey! Sergio! Search Meister! Oh, there you are.
They disrespect the people them down there. But if I had me did I walk down there, me I tell you the honest truth. One bad injection me I give you. One good. Me never call it bad injection. One nice clean injection me I give you. You're too disrespectful. So when you come mention pitney boy your mind who? Mind which pitney your mind? Which one I pitney them your mind? Tell me pitney them where your mind. Your mind no pitney at all. Thank you. Don't come back on social media, come mention not born a pitney. You have your son, the one and only boy pitney you have. In the back of your pee clock when you just bust. It is nice to see a little boy back of you and you're running away. You're running away because a girl. Because a girl make you run him away. Dirty mouth chin. You run him away. Tell me how you feel. None of your pitney them is not with you. Because that's how you treat we. It's to how you treat we. Nobody no want their own. Nobody no know you. But me sorry say, when you got down a yard, you never dash it to water and run you from the yard gate. That's all me have to say. Don't come back on social media contact bono friggin' pitney. Cause you don't get no pitney.
Pick up full and a run over. Them so corrupt but Jaja lover turn them over. When me talk and rebel, them say me bad like Fidel. But a righteousness me a give them. All who attack negative me no see them. Shan Palama.
Love claim things we are not for them. Them a claim me song them. Them a change the name of my song them. Them a try release song. And my manager try stop them. That is Jackie on. Them grow on another corner and change the name of it. You understand? One manager me have Jacqueline Hunt. Jacqueline Hunt alone me put pen and paper on and sign to look about my business.
The Gully Bop royalty is already going to she. She is the one that collect all of his royalty and all of his stuff off his music. Everything go to she.
So you're telling me Gully Bop's manager is collecting all the royalties, and she's got all the money, and she ain't giving him no money? This is why he's with Auntie Donna, getting on Auntie Donna to beg people to fucking send him money? Yo, she's an evil woman, eh? Evil.
She send him what she want to send him. That's the way all it's set up right now. The money from his YouTube channel, all of those things go to she. So that is why she's comfortable if he's dead, because everything go to she.
Somebody needs to talk about his wicked, evil manager. This black woman in England that has decided to just take everything and not give him nothing. I don't even think the woman even cares about him anymore. Just like my Irish Dire Warrior said, and she'd rather him dead so she can collect all his money for the rest of her life. What an evil, evil woman. One of them is from my Artist Dire Warrior that has done music with Gully Bop and let him sing on his rhythms too from his Builders Records. He's saying that his manager, Gully Bop's manager in England, this black girl, she has chosen to collect all his royalties herself. And he gave her permission to do this. I guess she's not giving him his money now. Just like my artist said, she'd rather him dead so she can collect all the royalties for the rest of her life. She can care less about Gully Bop. Gully Bop was supposed to come on my team. I was bringing him on my team last year. As soon as I started posting his stuff on my Instagram, she left me messages. She started messing with Dire Warrior too. Stupid, evil woman.
Me humble, me no calf. Me badness, me no soft. Them a yap yap, me no talk. No me angry and radical, full and a roll over.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, we've come to the end of this vlog. Let me know what y'all think of Gully Bop Daughter. If she should have just wall it, or she has a right to come out and done him like that, you know what I mean? Yes, because basically what she say, Gully Bop always have put them down, his kids them, his family them, class them up and this them up, and you know, he never do nothing for them, you see me? And she tired of it now, her cup full, you see me? Also, Dear Warrior, one of Gully Bop producer, and Red Snapper, the Dear Warrior manager, accused and address, let it known that Gully Bop manager Jackie, who Gully Bop said him sign over everything to, she get all of the Gully Bop money, so all comes Gully Bop about say I'm hungry and all of them things there. I am just the messenger. Let me know what y'all think. Jackie, if you hear this, reach out to Lion Foot TV and come clear everything. You see me and say? Yeah, it's up to you if you want to do that still, but yeah. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Big up on yourself. I'm going to leave the link for a Dipmatic song in the description. You can go listen to it, you see me? Yeah, man, cup full and I run over, you know? Yeah, man, so. Blessed love, big up on yourself. Please consider to subscribe and click the bell. It's up to you if you want to do it. See? Go shot. Stay good, stay safe, and keep it real on the battlefield. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Clean out above all things. Yeah, man. Blessed love.